In 5 seconds, it won't be clear.
Nothing tastes better than warm soda.
You want to hold like the main building?
I want nameless in here.
That's what I was gonna go for.
Good. Good boy.
Alright, where do you want me?
Put your truck in the warehouse and then... Oh, people are shooting at you.
I'm getting shot at.
Don't know where from.
They have a VSF probably.
No, they're probably not rendered in, but they see the vehicle.
Yeah, true. The prep gun or that?
Alright, anybody need tax stock, extended mag, or AR comp?
No.
Extended mag and AR comp.
Oh, bro. I'm gonna all that 5.5 because in endgame here,
Dropping
that
all
would be
this
nice.
because I don't really need it. I'm dropping 5.5, 122.
I have 214 rounds right now. I still only have a level 1 bag, so I can't even carry that much.
I gotta
These
use
vehicles
UMP
moving
because I
over
can't
here.
find any, if anybody sees a SMG extended.
So far.
Watch out!
Bruh, I can't make it to that one. Bro, why does the door keep opening? Let's close it.
Excuse me.
I'm watching like that hill here,
Marked a
waiting for a
location.
team to come across it.
God, I really hope it doesn't shift towards Hacienda.
Why?
My God.
Got,
Probably will.
So far.
alright, I got 2 smokes, 2 frag, and 4 mollies.
I have no frags, 1 molly, 8 smokes, 1 stun.
1 frag, 2 smokes.
Icy, come
I
here.
have one. One frag.
Oh, and a stun grenade.
And then... one frag, 4
you.
smoke, 1 flash.
No. Back to watching my hill, waiting for a team to come and attempt to crash it.
Steve, have you ever had to use a flash grenade? And it
Oh,
actually worked?
team out that way? They're going
Watch out!
there.
They're crashing the
Yeah.
gas station? Yeah, they are. Make sure your vehicles are clear from that angle.
I don't know what my vehicle cleared to that angle. Oh, smoke. They were
Watch
shooting
out.
at a truck over there, and it's smoking now.
Yep, I see it.
Oh!
Nice, good job. Good steal. Dang, you only
No, I
one
got
of
2.
those,
I got 2 out of that. But the other guy, I think.
Okay, in the kill feed, it only showed one.
No, because the one guy died to his own explosion. It showed, and the other guy died to me. But
Alright, let's go and take the hill above us. Or actually, let's take the compact to the left of it.
first, let clear. Oh.
Shots fired.
Was that taken then?
They're gonna blow my car.
Up top.
The kids are bad. Okay, we got 3 vehicles, right? Yeah. There's smoke up on the hill. Watch
Watch
out.
out!
Yeah, there's shots up there.
If we can play it somewhat passive here, we might be able to get
Yeah.
that team up.
Here.
We might be able to get that team up. We'll give what our name.
I can't use that
Oh.
because the sensitivity is not right. That's why I say only a 4 or an 8. Well, it's good for sprays on my M4.
A full 6x? What's wrong with you?
I think it's good. You know somebody else can do the full 4.
A full 4?
I mean, full
This guy's
not bad.
jiggle puking me. It's driving me insane.
Imagine. Blizzard, put that M24 to work, boy.
Only got it 3 times on it.
Put it to work.
This guy's holding this window. If you want to look at that,
Where is he?
my mark. He's holding that window.
Oh.
Is this squad even over here?
I don't know.
Over here?
Okay, I'm done looking
Yeah,
at
they
that guy.
have to. they have to know we're here. I feel like they would have came in this compound already.
Or what?
Oh.
Wait, man. Welcome, watch out, Steve.
He's on the wall now.
I think my car is sliding right now. How you doing over there, Icy?
I'm good. Waiting for the team.
Ah, fuck, bro.
Go for the revive.
Oh, above us, 355. Oh, fuck. It's fine, everything's fine. I need you to move. The squad above us is throwing nades at us. They're being a third party by the guys behind us.
I think there's
Watch out.
a guy playing this shack. Yeah, he's in zone.
Steve, if we have to move, where are we moving?
They just chucked their pan at us. We'll probably drive west and take a ridge there.
Okay.
Again,
Watch
there's a guy
out.
at this compound.
Okay.
There's no way that didn't
Watch
hit.
out. Watch out. Watch out.
If we want to, we could push these guys
Marked a
up here and
location.
take their.
Ooh. Buddy, why do you have a vector?
Yes, he can.
Alright, let's go. Crash my mark, crash my mark. Oh, Blizzard. Oh my god. No, nameless. God damn it.
What?
Full send my mark.
What?
Nameless.
There's a
There's a
wall there.
Go drive.
No, no, this is not the location.
Only reason why I'm here because I'm not in a vehicle. You guys keep going. You guys keep going.
Stop right here. Right here.
Watch out.
My god, you kid.
Bro, I just would not with you guys in the house.
There are no safe locations here.
Oh.
Blizzard, I need you to watch the hill 300 so that we don't get shot.
Alright.
Buggy's crashing us. People are crashing. Don't over peek. Don't over peek.
Where's the team that cracked to?
I don't know. I only heard
The team
215.
above us is in zone.
they're on the ridge in front of us. 220.
We're fine. Everyone's up. We're all fine. I think for now, stay quiet, shoot at people.
So,
Yeah, they're at the ridge.
I'm getting shot from the compound up top.
Watch out!
Is the U problem right now? I can't see them. Guy running out.
Where did
He's
you
dead.
get him?
He was
Thank you.
in zone.
Watch out!
Yeah, he's over here.
Bro, these kids are cute. They're at the hay bale.
Yeah, I think somebody threw something at you, Steven. I think.
Your left side should be somewhat clear. You might be able to take the left side of that vehicle there.
We're in zone. Hold it down. Hold it down.
Marked a location.
Let me try and make it to you guys.
I'm looking at right from those people.
I'm getting huge amounts of frame lag right now.
Yeah, me too. 9 alive.
Yeah,
Yeah, me three.
We're still 4 up, so we're
Oh
fine.
gosh. Oh god.
that guy's at the hay bales up top.
So lagging. Is there still a guy at
Watch
this
out.
roof right here? Or did he
No,
die already?
probably. I'm gonna check.
I think he did.
You want me to check?
Yeah.
That was
I think
me.
it's clear.
Grenade over them.
They're up to our left there.
Boost up if you haven't already.
I'm on the tree. What?
Just go over there.
They're right over
these
here.
guys are gonna
Marked a
push.
location.
The guy wrapping left.
Watch out!
Yeah, somebody's going 260. He went back to the
Smoke's
right.
out.
I see you watch those guys to our left.
Watch the left.
They're fighting each other right now.
Hurting above me.
I'm watching right.
Watch out!
Damn, he took the kill.
Don't ever peek.
Get down.
Nope.
Otherwise,
gonna-
you're gonna expose head.
Yeah, zone again. Alright, 4v2.
We got this.
I see him. Knocked one.
Don't overpeak.
Watch out! Watch
That
out!
was a trade. Someone
Uh-oh.
can trade that guy. He's out on that way. Res. You should be clear, Res.
Here, move back, move back.
Yeah, he's undead. Their goal is going to be Res.
They're throwing a smoke on your
Someone
right.
try and throw the guy out left.
Watch out.
He right now he's intel for that team. He's behind that hay bale on the left side. I got traded from a right. There, my guy died.
You saw that?
Nading.
Here, Molly.
Yeah, I'm nading out that way.
Just see them.
Oh, I didn't hit. I got a
Let's
night
go.
body shot. Good job, guys. Let's go. 5 kill dub for me. Ew.
I got all the way around him.
Imagine.
Bro, I like how I... Wait, did I get 1 kill that game? Yeah, right? Yeah. The guy had an 8x and a 6x? Homie! Little toxic 3. Never hurt nobody. A little toxic 3 never hurt. No. I got a screenshot that.
No, we all